Meow, meow, meow. Let's see. Uh-oh. Is YouTube broken? Okay, I think it works. I start the timer. We do 1 hour. I'm gonna solve this thing. Write a program that prints out this table. Or call this character map. Also, I'm actually gonna do it in another thing. So we'll do it over here in Scratch. We're gonna make this. I wonder, there's probably a short, what is it called? It's like a shortcut for resizing that I don't know. Hi Sarah, nothing. We're just gonna try to make this character map really quickly. So it's definitely something. Write a program that prints out this table. Character 127 is invisible, but should be printed out like all other characters. Extra missing space characters at the end of each line don't matter. The grader will ignore them. So if we take a look at this, we have 32 to 47. Okay. And then we have this format. Oh yes, I remember. Okay, we can use the padding thing. We could use the padding thing that I did last time, I think. Although, wait, let's see. This one. Yeah. Not padding or formatting thing. Okay. Yeah, it's just string formats. Okay. So we want to, I'm gonna write this. How do I want to do this? Okay. um, 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 this would be, I don't know how many this is. Does it matter? Yes, it does matter. Meow, meow, meow. I can't think. 7, 5. Is it 15? Is it 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 16. Is that right? Is it 16? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 16. Okay. Let's see. We're printing lines, and it's going to be characters. So we're gonna use probably some sort of loop. Print characters and ordinals. I don't know. I don't even know how to write pseudocode for this. I really don't know how to write pseudocode for this, so I think I just jump in. That's not that's not what I want to do. But okay, let me slow myself down. So we're going to print rows of characters and their Unicode. Is it Unicode or is it ASCII? I'll put both. I don't know. Values. And the way we're gonna do this is you're gonna use iteration. So I want to do for I in range of n to n plus what is it? What is it? What is it? Starting at 32, ending at 48, ending before 48. So 16 and plus 16, right? 32 plus 16 is 48. Or so iterate, oops, iterate over range, over this range, and then on one line, print the characters, and other line, print or so let's be more specific. Is it like this? CHR? I don't remember. Like this. That's not it. Or is it? That's not it. Is it car? Do I have to put it in a string? I think I do mean this. Oh wait, I think I'm doing this wrong. Original. It's just like this? Okay. That's okay. My bad. I got confused. So on the first line, we're actually doing the character though. So we want, like character 97. Yeah. So we want character N. With, what is it called? With some formatting, I guess. And then on the next line, we do save. Next line, print just print N with some formatting. Okay. hum 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 hum. Let's see if we can print one line first. So for I in range n to n plus 16, print print character n. I will say that n equals 32. But we need it all on the same line. Okay. But let's just try this first. Oops. No righteous last time. Print. Oh, this is not N. This is I. Okay. So that does work. It does work. How do I want to do this? I want to make a string. Okay, so let's do that instead. Let's say, let's see. Do we want a string? I personally kind of, do I want a string? Yes, I want a string. But the problem is that strings are immutable. So how do I do this? I guess we just override it. It's fine. But how do we override it? Do I need a list? I'm not really asking chat, by the way. I won't look. I'm just talking to myself. Let's see. We could do some sort of string concatenation, maybe. Let's say we just have like something called line or first line. I don't think we need to make it though. I think we put it in here. First line equals a string. How do we put it in a string? Oh, in a formatted string. I Hmm. Meow 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 meow. I really don't like this. I think the better way is to make it a list. Maybe first we'll call it first is an empty list. For I in range, first we add I to the list. Is that what I want? Is that what I want? Yes, that's right. For I in range and 10 plus 16. And then after the loop is done, we print first. Let's see. Okay, this is different. This gives us the numbers. That's fine. This is n. What we actually want first line to be though isn't n, but we want it to be the character. So change that. Okay. What if instead of first, we call it car? I feel like that's meow 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 meow. I don't know, naming things is hard. Top and bottom. No. Um And then we do one for I don't want to call it ord. I want to call it like number, maybe. And then we do it's just I actually. Man, I always forget how to do what I want to do now. So now I want to take the list and make it a string. And I always forget how to do that. How do you go from list to string? How do you take everything in a list and put it into a string? Um. Mm, 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 mm. Am I making too many steps for myself? Should just be less steps. Maybe we don't use this. These we can't really. This will just be concatenation then, right? What happens if I do this? Can only concat string, not int. Okay, so we have to do string I maybe. That does something. Okay. Ah 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 ah. Wow, wow, wow. I don't like it though. I kind of want to go back. Wait, hear me out. Hear me out. I think it's more steps this way. I think it's more steps this way to make it a list and then to put the list into a string. But I feel like like maybe I'm being weird here. Like if you think about what the data actually is. Like if you think about what the data actually is, doesn't it feel like actually then a dictionary would be even better. But I don't know how to use dictionaries. What if we use a dictionary? Wait. What if we use a dictionary? How do I do dictionaries? I don't know. I really don't know. What if we called it like map equals this is an empty dictionary, right? I don't even know how to add things to dictionaries, so um yeah. Let me think about this. Then wait. Could I do this with a dictionary? I feel like I must be able to. Think about it. Key value pairs instead of it. But then I couldn't do the range, could I? Or could I still do a range? No, we couldn't do a range because then we access by key value pairs. But that still works though because there is the integers. Wait. Will I in range end to end put 16? How would I do this? I don't even know. I don't think I learned this. I think I'm venturing into dangerous territory now. I want to try though. I feel like it would be cool. Let's look it up. Let's look at not this, not this, not this, not this, not this. What if I do dict? Would that come something? Okay, Python class. Return a new dictionary initialized from an optional positional argument, possibly empty set of keyword arguments. Dictionaries can be created by several means. Use comma-separated value lists of key value pairs within braces. The key, the value. Well, shit. But don't you look it up by the keys? So wouldn't we want, in our case, we would want the keys to be the integer? And the, right? Yeah, I think this is a different use case. Right? Actually, I don't know. Use a dictionary comprehension. Oh, X. Oh, this is really weird. What does this do? So X squared per X in range. Wait a minute. I don't want it to be X squared. I want it to be like, I want it to be, wait a minute, wait. I don't know how to do this. This is insanity. What if? We have N. Do we want N? Is it N? Also, is this part important here? This comma? Okay, whatever. Let me think. N and what is this one? For N in range. Or no, I had it wrong. It's I and I. For I in range. N to N plus 16. Is that a thing I could do? I don't know. I think this is illegal. I think this might be illegal. Let's see what happens. Oh, it did a thing. Wait, it did that thing. It did that thing. Oh, wait. I see. Wait a minute. We're cooking. What are we cooking? I don't know, but we're cooking something. I just want to double check. So yeah, this is this. This is this. Okay, it's all accurate. Okay. And then we could also use type constructors, but we don't need that because we have this. So then, my next question though is how do we access parts of the dictionary again? If no argument is given, an empty dictionary is created. If a positional argument is given and it defines a keys method, a dictionary is created by calling the get item on argument with each returned key from the method. I don't even know what that is. Yeah. Otherwise, the positional argument must be an iterable object. I guess we could have done that too. We could have, whatever, but that's okay. Um, 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 let's see. Actually, I should just play with it, I think. Maybe? Wait. Dictionaries preserve insertion order. Updating a key does not affect the order. Also, my other question is, do I actually want this to be a comprehension, or do I want it to be added? How do I do that? How do I do that instead? What if, because like, I don't just want n plus 16. I want hmm hum. Well, I did say I was gonna start with 2 lines and then expand it. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. I'll leave it for now. D equals this, and if you do D, you get the dictionary. List D gives you the keys. List D dot values gives you the values. D run meow meow meow. Print print list map. Get some numbers. Then I want to check print. List map. This takes the dictionary keys and puts it in a list. So then, if I want to, how do I access? Do I put it after? If I do this, what does that do? Okay, that does do a thing. But then what if I don't mind me here? I'm just seeing something. Okay, it is an integer. I'm already stuck. Let's see. We have d at integer, right? N would give us the value d. So they did a reassignment. Del d2 d2 none. And 2 gets to the bottom. Whatever. Generic over 2 types, signifying the types of dictionary keys and values. These are the operations that dictionaries support. List, length, the key, turn the item. D key equals, set the value, delete D key, remove D key from D, key in D, return true if it's there, iter D, return an iterator over the keys of the dictionary. Huh? I don't know what that means, but okay. Clear, copy, get items, keys, pop, pop, pop. Reverse. I have to think about what I want to do. I want to do something. Meow. Why am I struggling so much with this? I don't know. I can't think straight anymore. Can't think straight anymore. Maybe I never could. Let's try to do one line. So. Say line 1. Line equals line 1 equals lem 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 lem. Is that what I want to do? I don't really want to do that. I want to print. I don't know what I want to do. Character. And then I want the values as a string. I don't know how to do that. Print character. Then map will be the whole thing. Map values. What do I get if I do that? I get dictionary values. That's not exactly what I want. Can I put them in a... How do I put them in a string? What if I just... But it's like... It's not gonna work. I don't think that did anything. Can you iterate over those things? This is so stupid. I shouldn't use a dictionary. Let's start again. Let's say I can range n to n plus 16. Um, print char, then is just gonna print over and over and over and over again in a loop. That's already what I want to do. Shit. I don't know why I can't think. Look at cars. Equals. Empty string. Cars equals. Empty string. Get over to cars. Plus equals. Plus equals. I. But then we don't just want I. Right? I forgot already how to format strings. We do I, but then we want it to be like. We want it to be. We just learned this yesterday. It was O because we padded with 0. And then 2. Right? What if I just put a 2 in here? Then print. I don't remember what that does. Okay, that doesn't do what I wanted to do. What if I do a 2 and then this was. Oh no, wait. What if I do the opposite actually? What if I do this and then a 2? Does it do anything? I forgot how this works. I forgot how. I literally looked at it yesterday. Oh man! Well, the good news is. Format string. I forget what it's called. Syntax. Oops. Syntax. My tummy hurts. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, I'm so hungry. F string. F string. Lem, 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 lem. Glossary. Formatted string literals. F string. So can I find the syntax? That's not the one. That's not the one. Okay, let's undo this. F string. Formatted string literal. That's here, and then I saw something in here. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Format specification mini language. This one. This is one. This is the one that I need. This mini language. Format specification mini language. Yep. Yep. This is the one. Okay, let me see how this works again. I've been here before. I have been here before. I want to forces the field to be left aligned within the available space. This is the default. Oh, but I want to put padding. Wait. Forces the field to be right aligned. Forces the field to be right aligned. This is the default for numbers. Actually, that is what I want. I want it to be like that. And then lem, lem, lem. Lem, lem, lem. What is it again? Format spec options. Fill, align, sign. Fill any character. Align. Sign. Width and precision. Is it 2? Isn't that what I did? It didn't work. How do I do this? I'm definitely doing this wrong. I don't know why people are so loud today. I don't know why people in my house are so loud today. It doesn't even do anything. Why did it work? What if? No, seriously, why doesn't it work? I don't get it. We keep scrolling. I cheat. Lum 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 lum. Lum 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 lum. Lum 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 lum. Some say so I read it this way instead. Is that why? Is it because I'm doing it just raw? Does this not go in there? Do I just do like... Oh, my tummy hurts. I don't really get it though. I don't really understand. This can't be correct. This actually can't be correct. It doesn't even do anything. I'm still doing it wrong. Is it because it's a number and not a string? Is that why? It's probably because it's a number. Wait, what if we do... Oh, isn't that what we were supposed to be doing anyway? Does not match. What did I do wrong? Wait, what did I do wrong? Wait, what did I do wrong? Oops. It's not defined. Yes! Yay! Okay. That did something! Wait, okay, it's because I was doing this all wrong. So then if I just do this... This is so gay. We do this, we just delete everything else. Oh, wait. Oh, God. Um, 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 um. Okay, that's everything. Okay, let's just prove that this is actually doing something by changing this number to like 9. Come on. See? It works! It works! Okay, change it back to 2, I think. I don't remember actually what the format was. I hate my life. So each of these... Oh, wait. No! Wait, no, that's not right. Is it right? It's not right. Is it right? Let me think about this. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Is this right? This is not right. Is it right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. What if we go like this? The space before. Is that gonna break this pattern? What tummy hurts? 1, 2. There's space after. 3, 4. I'm doing something really wrong. Okay. I forgot. There should be some sort of trailing space. Because when we get to these higher numbers, it's gonna get weird. So, if we include the trailing space, what does that do? So for these, we have number space. Number space. But then here we have space number space number space number space number space. I think we ignore this one. Is that what we do? Yeah, we ignore. We say that this number line has a pattern of 2 digits with 1 space unless there are 3 digits. And then after that, it's separated by a space. I'm gonna cry. Actually, I'm going to cry. We don't want it. We don't want that. It has to be included, and it has to be because it has to end with only 1 space on the end. It ends with 1 space if there are 2 digits. Otherwise, it ends with a digit. So it begins with a space. My brain really hurts. Okay, let me think about that. I should write that down somewhere. I don't know. I don't know where to write it. I'll put it in here. Oops, not there. Wait, not there. Wait. I put it in here. Lem 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 lem. Lem 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 lem. Have a space, digit, and then a question mark, something like this. And then for the other one, oops, yeah, for the other one, this one. What the heck is it that we have? What the heck is it? But how do I explain this? So this one is, it's always going to be 1 character. So it starts with a space, starts with 2 spaces, and it always ends with 1. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's it. I think it's, then we have something like this, where we have space, character, space. Is that right? Like this. Okay. Ah, my brain hurts. Oh, my brain. Oh, my brain, it hurts. Okay. So that's the opposite of what I have written, I think. So we should have a character that is like this, right? It's pushed. No. My brain. It's pushed 2 here. And then I put 1 here. Let's just see what this looks like. I put a period there instead. Alright. So this has 2 spaces in front of it, I think. 1, 2. And 1 period behind it. 1, 2. And it ends with a period. Yeah, this is actually what I want. Okay. So then we take this and we make sure this is a space and not a period. Perfect. Okay. Then Then do the same thing for numbers. Call the nums. Why not? And nums is a string. And nums is plus equals an F string with I, but I is a number, so the formatting is weird, right? That's weird, right? Because it's an integer, right? What does it say? Tummy hurts, tummy hurts, tummy hurts, 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 hurts. Hurts, 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 blah, 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 blah. This is something. Where is it? Forces the field to be right aligned. This is the default for numbers. Do we want right aligned? My brain hurts. Right or left? We do want it to be right aligned. It is right aligned. It is right aligned already. Is it? We don't want it to be right aligned. We want it to be. Make it make sense, kitty cat. Make it make sense, kitty cat. Make it make sense, kitty cat. This is different from the other one because the other one always had to end with a space. This one is going to end with either a space or the last digit. So, how do I do that? So the last time, when we wanted a trailing 0, we did 0, 2, like this. So that means aligned to that way, right? But we don't want that. We want it to be 3, right? So there's 3 digits. If there aren't 3 digits, we want to put the space on the other side. I think it's this. There we go. Print nums. I don't know if it's gonna work though, because I didn't put anything there. I think it might have worked. Wait, but we have to test it with bigger numbers. Wait. I think it did work though. Wait, it looks good because we have it like, oh, I'm getting excited. Okay, let's slow down. Let's slow down. Don't panic. I'm panicking. Wait, why did that work? That shouldn't work. Wait, why does that work again? That shouldn't work. I'm a little bit confused now. I'm a little bit confused because the actual character should be over the 2 and 32. And then, like this is here. So then 1, 2. I didn't mean to do that. I don't know what I just did. Actually, let's just do this again. I'm really confused. Wait, I'm really confused. Why does this line up? Like, it's good that it does, but I feel like it's not right. Is it? Okay, whatever. We roll with it. So we actually want to print. What we actually want to print is an F string. An F string that has char, this, and then this, and then another F string that Guys, ask. Oh, ask for ASCII. I get it now. Space. I get it now, guys. Look at that. I get it. Oh, God. What have I done? Oh, God. What have I done? Is this one space or is this two spaces? I really can't tell. I think it's one. Yeah, because right is one letter. The W, I mean, in right. Okay. Wait, we're cooking. So, how do I do this again? So, wait. For I in range, do this. Oh, my tummy hurts. This is just the first two lines. I need more lines. Uh, given some. What if we do this differently? What if we do, given some number, given some. Do we want to do given some start? Do you print this many the next characters? Or do we want to get. I think the first time I wrote this, I wrote it with the start and the end in mind. So I said for characters between 32 to 128. But I actually think maybe we just leave the end open ended and we just given some starting number. We print out this 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So how do I do that? Well, um, I think I put the whole thing in another loop, maybe? No. Yes? Wait, wait. Print that, then, uh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to take out these two lines because it's distracting me. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. What if we put a for loop and a while loop? Or say like while count less than six. We do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, and then we update count and update. So count goes up by 1, and n also goes up by 16. What does this do? Wait, this is pretty close. This is actually pretty close. It's not exactly right, but it does go up to 127. The issue is, I think, well, there are many issues. The issue is that we need to reset this. So how do I want to do this? I do this, print it, and then we wait. Let me think about this. How can I do this in a way that doesn't repeat myself so much? I don't think is there a way I could do this? Could I put this? Could I put these two inside the loop? Oops, undo. Can I just put these inside the loop? What have I done? Okay, wait a minute. This is better. Something is wrong still though with my I just ran out of time, but something is wrong still with my numbering. Sorry, I'm blocking the question. Something is wrong with my spacing, I mean. It should be, yeah, I'm definitely missing a space in all of this. So let's see if I could put it. What if we put it? Wait, sorry, let me look at that one more time. We want it to be before, I think, not after. Yeah, we want it to be before, or do we want it to be after? My brain hurts. I'm doing something wrong. Wait, let's see. What is this? But it doesn't show me the end of the line. I think we're doing something. I think this is actually right. Yeah, this is actually, the end is right. We want to put it before. Okay. So then we do this. Wait, no, not like that. Like this. The space here. And the space here, maybe? Is that it? Oh, wait. No. Also, I get rid of this. Yay! Guys! Guys, are you looking? Do you see this? And one more space after? Why another space after? Why after? I think I did it right. Hi, Don Kai, how are you? Yay! Yay! We did it! We did it, we did it. Yay! I'm so happy. I think it's right. I'm pretty sure it's right. There's one space in between here. And then and on the last line, the character is matching with the middle number. But on the other lines, it's lining up with the last digit. This is perfect. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so now we take this. And we put it into our notes. Let's see, put it here. Vertical, resize, 72. Then let me double check what else do I want to put in here. I don't think is there any information I'm missing? And then let's see. I'm not gonna, I don't think I'm going to, yeah, I'm not gonna reproduce that whole thing. I'll just type creates a character map from, I'll do one line from 32 through Unicode, no, from ASCII values 32 through 127. And then we'll do one line, I think, as an example. And the first line prints this character. Actually, let's walk through it. So, n is 32, count is 0, while count is less than 6. You have empty chars and empty string nums. For I in range 32 to 32 plus 16, which is 48. 32 stopping before 48. Chars is equal to the character of the number for I, so the first iteration would be 32, formatted with 2 spaces, justified right, and there's also 1 space before and 1 space after, and then the number, I'm not going to do numbers, I skip numbers. So then we get character, and then we had 1 space before, and then 2 spaces with my brain hurts. So this thing, I said this wrong. The formatting is always make it 2 characters and justify it to the right. So now, because it's only 1 character, like a blank character, words. I actually don't feel like typing this. I'm gonna just steal it. I'm stealing it. Nobody can stop me. I'm stealing it. I'm not typing this shit. I'm gonna make sure I steal the right amount. Okay. And then we go back. And then I just do that. Wait. I think I have to be in here first. And then I do that. Okay, and then I delete this. Oh, wait. Oh, no, wait. Let me pick a different row. Can I pick a different row? Oh, no, wait. I'm gonna pick a different row because the parentheses are like escape value or whatever. They're like messing up my thingy. Whatever. I pick let's do this one. Arbitrary row in the middle. There we go. Whatever. This is fine. Let's see. Good luck. Thank you. It was nice to see you keeping at it. Thank you. Okay, bye. Have a good day, Wabi. Okay, take care. You can also do for n in range 2 to 16. Incremented 16. That's true, sleeperone. But the reason why I like this one more is because with the one we have now, we can we don't have to start at 32. Wait. We could actually do like we could start from the beginning or from 0 and now see what those are. So I'm guessing that these are like let me think. Oh, this is up here. So I'm guessing there's some like escape characters or something weird going on. Perhaps. Let's look it up actually. I'm curious. Where do I find it? Where do I find it? This is it this site? Where's the official site? Let's go to Wikipedia first. Where's the official site? Isn't there an official website? Meow meow meow. I feel like I'm gonna cough to death. Ah. Oh, well, Wikipedia has these, I guess. How do I find the character table? Wait, so this is something decimal. Review versions. Wait, how do I find that? I don't know. I feel like this isn't the right one. Is this? Maybe it is. Okay. Yeah, so you have like a bunch of weird null character, start a heading, start a text, and the text. That looks really weird. And this is the one, printable characters, 32 to 127. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. So what happens after 127? Oh, okay, let's try printing 128 then. I don't know if this is gonna be weird. Okay, so like, for some reason, is it because I'm not European? Is it because I'm not European? I don't get the euro symbol or the single low or the Latin. I don't get like a bunch of these. But starting at 161, where are you? Right here. Maybe even starting at 160. Oh wait, these are kind of like, wait, what does this mean? Like it's like not grayed out, but it's like highlighted. Should I read? Should I use my eyes and read? Where's the key? Where's the key? Like shouldn't there be a key? Blah blah blah. I don't feel like reading. I don't feel like reading. I don't feel like reading. Well, whatever. Just pretend. So this one is unused and this one is unused. Oh, we're learning. Look at this. Wow. Okay, and let's see. This one says shy? Soft hyphen? What the heck? That didn't work. What is that? 173. Where's that? 173 is here. Is this a hyphen? Is that what we're calling a hyphen? But the other ones work. Like we have the copyright on 169. Alright, I don't feel like doing this anymore. I'm done. I just keep being a shy tsundere. Unicode is more consistent for those symbols. It's limited and localized. Yes, I read a little bit about that. About how, like, because there's so many languages in the world with so many symbols, blah blah blah. There's different ones. I remember having so many issues with null terminators during string transmission with communication protocols. Truly the age of skill issues. Meow meow meow. I'm just excited. I'm just excited that it works. So let's do this. Oh, did I accidentally the thing? I think I accidentally the thing. Did I accidentally? Oh. Um, let's wait. What the heck is going on here? Ah! Ah! I delete this. Then why no work? Okay, whatever. It doesn't want to work. Then we take this, we steal it. That's what we do. We steal it. Whoop, stolen. Then we put it in here. Then we run it. And this better work or else. Yes, it does. Yeah. That's the proof right here. Look at that. Wow, would you look at that? Wow, would you look at that? They started adding emojis to ASCII? Oh, that's cool. Hi, person. I'm so happy. I didn't think I would. I thought it was going to take me longer to solve this. Man, I still wish I knew how to use dictionaries, but in the future I'll learn. In the future I'll learn how to use dictionaries. I was getting a little bit ahead of myself. So, tomorrow I'll do this else not and or. But for now, we're gonna update this stuff. So, let's see if I remember how to do that. So how did I do it yesterday? I already forgot. Oh, hi, my little baby, Yuruni. How are you? How are you, little baby? Okay, let's see. We copy. I don't remember. Practice Waterloo. Actually, I kind of want to change it too. Oh, I don't have anything in here. Okay. So, meow, meow, meow. Dicks are like lists, but indices can be strings. Copy these contents recursively into not downloads, into projects, learn, notes. Okay, this is perfect. But what I want to do actually is I want to move. move. How do I do this? Maybe, how do I do this? I want to make a folder and move all the contents of notes into that folder. Can I do move notes to notes? What does that do? Invalid argument. What if I do it like this? It's still an invalid argument. Rename notes to notes. Okay, that's not really what I want to do. Hum. Hum, 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 hum. I don't know how to do it. I really don't know. I don't know. I go to the book. 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 I don't know why this is so hard for me. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Navigating, blah, blah, blah. Move or rename a file or directory. Meow, meow, meow. Create a file, navigate, make a directory. Move file name Bob to grandchildren directory. I did this before, I don't want to do it again. Brain work. Man. Move. Source target. Source directory. Renames the file named by the source operand to the destination path named by the target operand. This form is assumed. Okay, maybe we just stop trying to be cool and we do it in remove notes to Waterloo. And then we mixture notes. Can we do that? And then how do I move? Waterloo to notes. Waterloo. That's what I want. Did that work? Yay! Okay, that's good. That's what I wanted. Okay, that's better. That's so much better. Okay. Now. Oh, well. Wait, I'm scared. What does this mean? It says deleted, deleted, deleted. I'm so scared. What does this mean? I mean, it's all there. It's still there. I guess if you move it, it's the same thing as deleting it. Ha 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 ha. La 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 la. Wait, can I undo that? How do you undo an ad. Shit. How to unstage and get. Restore. Reset. Reset. I don't know if that unstage is what I'm looking for. How to undo ad. Boop, 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 boop. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Get reset file or remove the file. Set. Get status. There's too many. Get restore. Wait, get restore. Staged. Can I do that? I can do that. Oh, would you look at that? Wait. Okay. So I want to do it separately. I'm really confused actually. No changes. I'm really confused. Wow, 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 wow. What the heck did I just do? Where did this one go? Where did this modified go? This is deleted, 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 and then untracked files. Renamed. Okay, whatever. Whatever. I don't even care. I don't care anymore. I finished. Sorry I'm taking too long. I'm trying to learn things. How long have you been doing it? Couple weeks, months. Couple months, a little bit on and off. Can only learn so much before we run out of brain room. At least next time we learn. Yeah, that's true. That is certainly true. I've run out. Shit. I gotta fix that too now. Man, this is okay. We fixed that. I said that at the beginning of the last one, or just straight. Whenever I changed this, I was like, man, I'm gonna have to change this again. It's okay. Notes, Waterloo. Background effects. What's the effects? It's docs. This will update. Link in. Link to notes in. Readme. We push it. I removed my home directory. Does that count? Yep, that counts. This is insane. 6 months ago. 1 minute last week. 6 months is how long? Ish. Maybe 8 months. I took a break though. I took a long break. Alright, wait, that works. What about the other one? What about the other one? How do I look at the commits again? Like this? This one? The deletions. I love how everything is considered new, but it's okay. Go back. Go back. Go forward. And then this one is from today. This is from today. The character map. How nice. Okay, I'm done now. How do I see? Do they show it? Public activity. Oh yeah, you can see here. So I started programming. I started learning how to program again the end of December, beginning of January. And then I signed up for Codeberg probably. Oh wait, I signed up last year. But wait, I'm confused. Joined April. Yeah, that's true. I probably made it. I don't remember why. I guess whatever. But I didn't start using it until this February, maybe. No, January. January 21st. Yeah. And then I like stopped for like 3 months, maybe 3.5 months. And then I started again in July, I think. But then I forgot Codeberg existed, and then I remembered it existed, and that I should practice. I should practice using it. Yeah, time does fly. That's why don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Make sure you use it the way you want to use it. Have a good day. Enjoy your Sunday. Oh, hi, Yura. Hi, everybody. I have no idea what Latin is. Yeah, I'll be back. Sounds like good study work. No, I'm very inconsistent, but I'll try to fix that.